If you're going to work on A-bodies, there's going to come a time in your life you're going to work on cage nuts. And cage nuts are notorious for rusting and being a pain in the butt. So we're going to show you guys how we fix these plates with the cage nuts today. So you see we simply cut out the top of the cage, pulled the actual cage nut lock inside out, clean it up. We use WD-40 and PB Blaster to try to loosen it. See, sometimes that just doesn't happen, so we tried a bolt extractor. We've had some success with this in the past, but really it's really limited for us. So we're more than likely going to take two avenues here. We're either going to heat it up with a torch, or we can try to actually beat the thing out with percussive force. And that is usually done by holding the actual bolt in place with like a vise or something like that, and hitting it really hard, or kind of tapping it, depending on how rusted it actually is, on the metal collar like you'll see here. This method works really, really well for us. I've also had great success with welding a nut to the top and kind of tapping on that as well. Just these little things add up to be a big lifesaver as you're working on them. But check out how this thing came out. Like, it actually started moving really quickly once we got knocking on it. Once that happened, the threads cleaned up really, really nicely, just almost immediately. But we'll hit it with a tap and die really quick. This is a 7/16 14. If this helped you, be sure to subscribe for the full body mount video we're going to put out later on this week.
Nice. A little more how it's supposed to be.